I'm Paul Mead, I'm Development Manager, Denbighshire County Council. The work that we've been undertaking this week is in connection to a planning enforcement notice. The site here at TSO in Llandegla as an unauthorised use, which is the storage of multiple scrap vehicles, and the operation that we've been undertaking is to remove those scrap vehicles. Unfortunately, people will breach planning control by carrying out unauthorised development or changing the use of land. Clearly we have to target the most harmful of those types of breaches, but we do take all of them seriously, and we will look to investigate harmful breaches of planning control. As you can see, this is an area of really outstanding beauty in the county. Lots of forest, lots of landscape, very picturesque as you come into our county. Lots of local businesses that rely upon that beauty and that sort of topography, and therefore where an area of land is being used for the purposes of storing rather unattractive scrap vehicles, that can have quite a wide-ranging economic and other impacts. The role of elected councillors in this whole process is really important. They're the eyes and the ears of officers in their community, and they will be able to witness what they consider to be the most harmful breaches of planning control. And without the valuable support of our local member and the lead members, it would have been difficult to have got this whole operation arranged. I'd also like to thank, as part of this, the work of the North Wales Police, who've been very supportive, and our colleagues in Highways in terms of trying to sort the road closures out that were needed. So we'd encourage anyone that does have any concerns about damage and harm to the natural and built environment to contact us at planning@denbighshire.gov.uk or to call 01824 706 727. There are forms on our website as well if people want to access those to make those sorts of complaints to us.